Life can be a little rough. It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, well, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch your fall. 3 foot tall.
Stress out, waking up, it's time to get it. Ain't no room for the haters, ain't got time for jealousy. I'm too focused on the music, the money, and where I'm headed. Over let them up parade, let me get an umbrella. Fuck all the damn opinions. Never really been the one to listen. Ain't no one else in the world, on my vision. Send I want the distance and stay driven. Gotta go for it, do or die. Can't slow down, I feel too alive. I'ma chase my dreams, fuck the stupid time. If you walk through my shoes, you would lose your mind. Got the blood of a champion in my veins. I ain't following nobody, I'm in my own lane. Every day in my life, come and feel my pain. I'm balling out like LeBron and Dwayne in overtime. All my life, time to turn it up into overdrive. Gotta live your life with an open mind. Blood, sweat, tears got me so alive. Pull up with a bad one, in the passer. Jerk side with an ass, got a fat one. Used to never get money, I hope back then. Now I get broke, but I never get a chance to. Wait to focus on the money, television too. Embrace the struggle and you're gonna get through it. Never give up where you gotta keep moving. Don't worry about me and what I'm doing. If anyone listening got a dream, better go for it. If you think of giving up, better hold on. I've been on my grind, hustling for so long. Pro up, good vibes, so we're rolling.
It makes you feel like you're 3 foot tall. When it's just you, times can be tough. When there's no one there to catch your fall. 3 foot tall. 3 foot tall.
Waking up with the same routine, hoping and praying for sunshine. A plan that don't work out as A through Z. Looking at rappers, it's lunchtime. Sick of the drugs and the groupies. Hustling homeboy, it's crunch time. Praying that God he don't lose me. Shout out my family one time. Putting my thoughts on the blue sleeve, on the Bruce Lee of this rap shit. Sometimes this life will get lonely and close. I'm gonna make sure that you bring a jacket. Putting my heart and my soul in this music. I can't wait too far to turn back, bitch. People all told me that I wouldn't make it. Now they the ones saying congrats, kid. Used to keep money that I made from hustling right there up under my mattress. Now I ain't tripping, don't worry about slipping. I got an account for that shit. Stood on my own 2 feet, nothing was handed to me. Every day I would practice. Struggling every day, trying to find myself in this world that's full of madness. Stressed out, working hard, going through some shit, put my trust in God. Everybody telling me that I should stop, but my middle finger's up, screaming fuck them all. Every single day of my life, I'm putting up a fight, trying to figure my right from wrong. Hella shit on my mind, no
And I'm not kidding.